How to correct a reconciliation which has been done incorrectly. Let's say that we have reconciliation items and you click to the wrong supplier or customer and you need to undo this. Go into bank statement and find a bank transaction that was incorrectly reconciled. Click on transaction and then on the right hand side click remove and redo. Don't worry, this line will not disappear. All you need to do is to go back to Reconciled tab, find this transaction, and then try again reconciling or matching to the correct supplier or customer or nominal code. Another way to correct something has been incorrectly reconciled is to go into your sales or invoice from supplier. For instance, we go to the purchase overview. Let's find something that's already been paid. For example, in Carlton Functions, the payment has already been allocated. If this payment has been made from incorrect account, we can always remove the payment, make a correct payment, and then reconcile it again. So now let's go ahead and remove the payment. By clicking on the payment itself, let's go into the options and remove and redo. Now we have removed the payment. We can select the correct date, the amount, and the bank account which has been paid from, reference, add a payment, or go directly into your Reconcile tab in Bank Reconciliation and match this invoice to the payment through the bank. I hope this was useful. Please like and subscribe to my videos. I post weekly Xero Quick Fixes videos on this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.